Hey there everybody, my name is Bradston Henry and I'm a developer advocate at IBM, and I'm super excited to share my latest blog with you all. Today was going to be pretty simple, pretty straightforward blog. Just how do you get Docker on your local machine? So if you're not familiar with Docker, Docker is just a really popular tool out in the market today that is used for containerization. A lot of companies use it, and I figured it'd be worth learning how to get it on your local machine. So today we're going to particularly be focusing on the Mac computer, but the PC, Windows PC, is pretty much very similar. The instructions are almost the same, but if you're interested in looking at those instructions, you can look below and there'll be a link on how to do the Windows specific instructions. But without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see here, we're already on the Docker's page for the Mac installation. If you want the link to go ahead and get you straight to this page, you can check the descriptions below. I'll attach the link so you can get here straight away. First thing I want to say before we start the video is just, if you're interested in installing this, you can absolutely use the Docker website's installation instructions. They're just here. You just scroll down, you get a chance to check out all the different instructions and what they have to offer. I'm just going to show a little bit of how to do it. I'm a visual person, so this always helps me. All right, let's go ahead and install Docker on our Mac. So the first thing we're going to do is click the download from the Docker Hub button here. What that's going to do is just navigate us over to the Docker Hub webpage, and here we can actually download the file. So we're going to click the Get Docker button on the right side of the screen. It's going to go ahead and initiate the download. So let's go ahead and click Save File and click OK. I'm saving my file to the desktop, so that's where we're going to open it from. So let's go ahead and flip over to the desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and double click on the docker.dmg. We'll see it opens this little widget here, and we're going to go ahead and click and drag our Docker icon onto the applications folder. What that allows is for the application to get copied over to the applications folder and makes it accessible in Launchpad. So we're going to go ahead and close the widget. We're going to scroll down here to the Launchpad button and click it. You'll see now the Docker icon's there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. It's going to be a little bit of verifying, and because we just downloaded from the internet, it's going to make sure that this is secure and that we actually want to open it. So let's go ahead and click the open button here. And once it's open, we'll see in the top of the screen in the menu bar that the Docker icon is appearing and a little bit of movement. That movement means it's loading. Once it stops loading, we're going to go ahead and click the Docker button, and then we're going to click Dashboard. And that will open up the Docker desktop application. And now we know that our Docker is installed on our Mac system. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward on how to get, the Docker tools on your local machine. And now you have the power of containerization in the palm of your hands. I'm excited also to share that next week, the next blog post that I do, I'll particularly be talking about how do you take an existing application and containerize it. That's just the key of all of this. So I'm going to go through the different steps and processes and what it takes to do that. I'm working on that now, learning that now, going deep into that right now. So I'm excited to share that learning journey with you. Also, before I go, I wanted to share like a really cool opportunity for learning for anybody who's looking to dig deeper into containers. So IBM is offering right now the Kubernetes World Tour. It's an opportunity to get real hands-on experience with containerization tools that are out in the market today. It's absolutely free, and it's happening all over the world in different areas and different regions. The cool thing is, because we're kind of in this kind of virtual setting, even if you're not in a particular area, you can still have the opportunity to learn and look in and learn at those workshops. So if you're interested in learning more and going deeper into the ideas of what does it mean to use containers in the real world and in real applications, please check out the link below in the description for the Kubernetes World Tour. I think it's a great opportunity to learn and to go deeper on your containerization journey. So anywho, thank you so much for checking out my latest blog, and I look forward to seeing you all in the future. Take it easy. Hey, it's you again. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I got so much more content to come, so much more learning to do that I want to share with you guys. And don't forget to check out the description of this video, because there's so much more. I learned from things, and I like to share them with you guys in the description. So please don't forget to check out the descriptions. Well, I just have to say, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything, and take it easy as always.